Hello lovely people. Ready for some fun? We're talking tropical fruits, bright colors, amazing taste, so good, eh? Let's get stuck in. You'll really love this. It's super exciting stuff. Cutting these fruits can seem hard. Mangoes, pineapples, dragon fruits. But don't you worry folks, I'm here to help you out. It's easy when you know how. Seriously, dead simple, believe me. You can totally do it. No problem at all. We'll master 3 beauties today. The juicy sweet mango, the sunny tangy pineapple, and the cool exotic dragon fruit. Step by step, nice and slow, no fuss and no bother. You'll be a real pro. In just 5 minutes watch, so grab your sharpest knife. A clean cutting board too. Let's get chopping my friends. Time to become a fruit hero. A fruit slicing superstar, eh? It's going to be brilliant. Are you ready for this? Let's go, go, go. First, the mighty mango, so lush and so delicious. How to pick a ripe one. Gently squeeze it, that's right, it should be a bit soft, not too hard, not too mushy. Smell near the stem end. Sweet smell? Perfect, that's your guy. Got your perfect mango? Great, wash it first, very important, always wash your lovely fruit. Now there's a big flat seed, right there in the middle. We need to cut around it. Hold your mango nice and steady. Slice down one side, then the other. Now for the really fun bit, scoring the mango flesh. Take a mango cheek, yes, skin down, in your hand. Cut lines in the soft flesh. Crisscross, like a little net, but don't cut through the skin. Easy does it, nice and gentle. Time to get that mango out. Push the skin from behind, the cubes will pop right up. Wow, how cool is that? Slice them off with your knife, or use a handy spoon. Scoop out all that goodness. Don't forget the seed, nibble that. Next up, the pineapple, big and spiky on top, but so sweet and juicy inside. Pick a good one, listen up, look for lovely golden skin. It should smell really sweet, right at the bottom end. Pull a leaf from the top. Easy out, ripe. Right, let's get to it. Lay your pineapple on its side. Sharp knife please, be careful. Cut off the leafy green top, cut off the bottom bit too. Now stand it up tall. We need to peel that skin. Slice downwards all around it. Skin off? Good job you. See those little brown eyes? Still left in the flesh, we can get rid of them. Use the tip of your knife, or make smart diagonal cuts. Now cut the pineapple long ways, into 4 big chunky pieces. See that hard bit inside, running down the middle. That's the core, it's tough, we don't want to eat that. Slice it off each quarter. Now you have pure pineapple, chop it into yummy chunks, or lovely slices for snacking. Brilliant. Section 4. Dazzling dragon fruit. Simple and stunning, now for the dragon fruit. Looks amazing, doesn't it? Bright pink or sunny yellow, with cool green leafy bits. So exotic and pretty. Choose one that's a bit soft, like a ripe kiwi fruit. Not too hard, not too mushy. This one is super easy. Honestly, you'll be surprised. Wash your dragon fruit first. Pop it on your board. Knife ready for action. Just slice it straight in half. Right down the middle, see? Lengthwise from top to bottom. How to get the flesh out. So simple, you won't believe. Use a big friendly spoon. Scoop it out from each half, just like you do an avocado. It comes away from skin easily. Or you can just peel it. The skin pulls off, no bother. Got the flesh out? Great, put it on your cutting board. Now you can chop it up into nice little cubes, or slices if you prefer that. It's great in healthy smoothies, or just eat it plain. The tiny seeds are edible too. Section 5. You've got this. Slice, share, and enjoy. Look at you go now. Mangoes, pineapples, dragon fruit, you've totally cracked them all. Not so scary now, are they? Just a few easy, simple steps, and a little bit of practice. You're a fruit ninja now. Well done you. Feeling good? Keep practicing, my lovely friends. That's the real key to it. Buy these fruits more often. Get your knife skills super sharp. Soon it'll be so quick, you won't even have to think. Impress everyone you know then, with your amazing new talent, and the best bit of all, eating all that lovely fruit, all that fresh, juicy goodness, so healthy and so tasty. It's better when you cut it yourself with your own hands. It's a really great feeling, you should be dead proud. So get slicing everyone, have loads and loads of fun. Share your lovely fruit platters, take some happy photos too. Show me what you can make. Enjoy all those ace flavors. Fruit is nature's best sweet, and you're a master. Lovely jubbly.